So now we're going to be bisecting 22. We're going to be bisecting some angles, and we're going to be getting 22 and a half and also 112 and a half. So now we're going to be drawing the 22 and a half. So the first thing is that you're going to be dividing a particular horizontal distance. So we can just give it 10 distance. But then let us pick 8 centimeter. So you label space as A and B. So you bisect A and B to two equal parts using any distance of your choice. But then it's shown that it does not extend beyond B. So we have here up and down, then on B as well, up and down. So you join together. Yeah, now we have our 90 degrees already. Now we want to get our 22 and a half. How can we make this happen? Now I want you to follow me closely as we get this together. So the thing is that you're going to be distance between O and B. Distance between O and B. This is O over here. So strike it here. You understand? And you can label this place as C. So I want to bisect this C and B into two equal parts. As you can see, we bisect the two equal parts, which gives us automatically 45 degree and also 45 degree. So 45 degree, 45 degree. Now, what you're looking for is 22 and a half. And you know that when we divide 45 degree into two equal parts, we're going to be having 22 and a half. So we're going to be dividing 45 degree into two equal parts. So it's the same thing. You can decide to make an arc on this B. You understand? So from this side, draw an arc. From this side, you draw an arc. So you connect it together. As you can see, so this particular part is now 22 and a half degree. So now we've gotten 22 and a half degree. Now the second one is I want to get 112 and a half degree. Now 112 and a half degree is the combination of 90 degrees plus 22 and a half degree. Now we already have this place to be 90 degree already. 90 degree already. So we want to make our 22 and a half degree over here. 112 degree, 1.5 degree over here. So we want to get our 22 and a half degree over this place. So we're going to be dividing as well. We're going to be dividing AC into two equal parts. So place your compass here, draw an arc, place it here. So as you can see, then join it to the center. Yeah. So now we have 45 degrees, 45 degrees. I'm going to be bisecting this particular one into two equal parts. So we can decide to make an arc. Decide to make an arc over here. So we're going to be dividing this space. So now the total degree measured from here up to this point is 112 and a half. Since we got this space to be 22 and a half plus the whole of 90 degrees, that gives us 112 and a half degrees.